All right, now in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you what a money-making PLR sales funnel is going to look like. So the very first thing that we have over here on the left-hand side, you can see we have a squeeze page, okay? And what a squeeze page looks like, this right here is a squeeze page, okay? People come to this page. They can, get here by my advertising or through any JV deals that I do. But people get to my squeeze page, okay? And what I do is on my squeeze page, I have this promise of a free 3-minute video that reveals underground money-sucking secrets the gurus forget to mention in their $997 courses. And when they enter in their email address and click on free access, what happens is, well, there are a couple things that happens. The very first thing that happens is they're entered onto my list. So in the future, if you look right below the squeeze page, you can see that I can email them offers. And this happens over and over again, okay? But they're also going to be brought, okay, right after they opt in, they're going to be brought over to my OTO page, okay? And what this page is this is a sales page for something that's very related to what they just opted in for. And you can see, I tell them, I say, hey, wait, before you download, tell them your download link, it's on its way to your inbox. But before you get that, here is what the gurus forget to mention in their $997 courses. And I go on to explain how, they really should get themselves a sales funnel. I have a great sales letter here, okay? And if they want, they can go ahead and buy my OTO for just $9, okay? So you can see in the middle here, we've got our squeeze page, and they're brought over to our OTO page. Okay, and now hopefully some of these people are going to buy it. My records have shown me over time, I find that I get about 10 to 15 to 20% who opt in are going to go ahead and take me up on my OTO offer. Okay, so if you can get anywhere from 5 to 10 or 20%, you're going to be doing good. You want a low priced offer right here. Okay, something under $10. All right, now if someone buys this from me, okay, I don't just send them straight to the download page. What I want to do is I have an upsell in place. Okay, so if they buy this OTO from me, I then go ahead and send them off to this upsell. In my upsell, what I do is I go from $9 all the way up to this big mega package. And this is a big mega package of like 17 hours worth of video, okay? And I upsell this for $97. So I go free, okay? I'll walk you through this one more time. So my sales funnel, it looks like this. I have a free offer, which is the squeeze page. I bring them to an OTO page, which is a small price, lower priced offer. In my case, it's $9, okay? And if they buy that, they're brought to this upsell page where it's $97, okay? And what I also have is I have my download page. And on my download page, the very first thing that I do is I send them off to a high dollar offer that I'm an affiliate for. So when they buy their product, the first thing they get from me is a special invite-only workshop. This is with a close JV partner of mine. I send that traffic off to him, and I can make an affiliate commission for even more money. But right below that, they're able to download their product right here. So on my download pages, okay, on all my download pages, I'm going to have like an affiliate offer and then the download the product that they just bought from me. And if you do that, you're going to have some pretty good sales funnels.